Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I will be showing you how to delete all TikTok comments. So, first things first is open up the TikTok application into your device. Now, once you are here on the TikTok, you can just simply go ahead and select profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now, once you are here, you can just simply select the three lines at the top right corner of the screen, which is the menu. And now, once you have done that, guys, you would just simply go ahead and go for the settings and privacy at the very bottom of the screen. Now, over here on the content and display category, you should be able to see here activity center. So you could just simply go ahead and tap on activity center. And then over here, you should be able to see here comment history, and you should be able to see all of the comments that you have made throughout your account, even way back years ago. So from here, this is all of the comments that I did throughout my account. And from here, as you can see, we have dates, and you could filter it out as well by oldest to newest or newest to oldest. Now, in order for you to delete your comment, you can just simply go ahead and tap on the video on the right side of the screen in order for you to go to that video, and you should be able to see your comment, and you can just simply hold it and you will have an option over here, delete. And now once you have deleted it, you can just simply go back to the comment history, and you can just simply repeat it to all of the videos that you have commented to. So, guys, sadly, as of today, there are no way or no feature of TikTok that you can delete all TikTok comment at once, but you could delete it one by one manually. So, pretty much, if there are any update on TikTok, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.